What's up, Sin City Food family? It's your favorite food review channel, Sin City Food Reviews. I'm JT.
I'm Brenda.
And on this episode, we are at Teriyaki Madness. I've never had it. Mom hasn't had it. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube going here quite often. We're at the Lake Mead location. Let's go in there. Let's check it out. Let's bring the bull. We live very close to this place. Bring the bull home. We'll check him out and we'll rate it. Welcome to Sin City Food Reviews. Mr. Mother and son out to conquer all food that is Las Vegas. Please subscribe so you don't miss our journey. This was kind of like a spontaneous food review, but we've always wanted to try Teriyaki Madness. They end up giving us a coupon, 2 bowls for $16. These are the regular bowls. They also come in junior, small, and large bowls. The large bowls are massive. But I got the teriyaki chicken, vegetables, and fried rice. Mom got the orange chicken, vegetables, and fried rice. Never tried this. We're definitely looking forward to it. We're gonna eat it. It's really, really hot. We're gonna try each other's too, so let's see. Mom, first bite.
It's very good. The chicken's really tender. The chicken's really tender.
What about the flavor of the sauce on there? Let me try it. I like the sauce. Sometimes orange chicken will be like overpowering the sauce, but let's just try it. Let me try some of my teriyaki. That's perfect. Perfect grilled chicken.
It's tender.
Try a piece.
It's a big piece.
That's all you're gonna be able to do. Put it on. I have to cut it in half, so. Let's try the fried rice.
Yeah, super good. Tender.
And sometimes you can overcook like chicken breast, like where it's chewy and stuff, but right here, no.
Right.
That was so much food. I still have like a half a bowl left, and I am stuffed. Mom has about the same, a little bit less than me. But man, it was so good. We eat Panda Express quite often, and this shit blows Panda Express out of the water. The fried rice has big old chunks of egg in there.
And
the vegetables are huge.
The orange chicken is excellent. It's very, very good.
Yeah, I was a little jealous because I love the teriyaki chicken, but Mom's orange chicken was bomb. I would definitely recommend Teriyaki Madness, and I'm going to give them a 4 out of 5 for my rating. Mom, how about your rating?
I would give them a 4.5.
Yeah.
Because they were really super good. They were fast. It was
it
clean.
didn't take that long either.
There's a lot of food in one of these little bowls. A lot.
Yeah, if you get the junior bowl, which is a little smaller than this one,
It's half the size, but
it'd probably be perfect. But
Right.
I literally have half a bowl, which is great because then I
Right.
could have either for a snack later
or lunch
or
tomorrow.
lunch tomorrow. So I would definitely recommend Teriyaki
Very
Madness. Thank you all for watching.
Thank you.
We love you guys.
Love you.
Thank you for being patient. We're only like 19, 20 subscribers away from 500. Then we can do some cool giveaways and we can post surveys on our community tab of places you want us to try.
Yes.
Love you guys and thank you for watching.
Thank you guys. Love you.
And we'll see you for the next food adventure. We are Sin City Food and you have been reviewed.